Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google device to Motorola G75. First of all, open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Google, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!